What's going on, guys? TNT Anglers back with another video. We know it's been a minute. It's been like 2 months since we've uploaded, but it was at the time where trout wasn't really in and bass fishing. The waters were still cold around us, but they've been stalking almost every day up here in West Virginia. So me and my roommate Grant got up early this morning and we headed up to northern West Virginia. This is almost the most northern part of the state. And we came to a stalked stream, as you see around me. And hopefully we can get on some trout for you guys. It's gonna be a good day. I feel good. And let's get after it. So you saw it?
I saw it flash.
I didn't know if it was a snag or a...
Fish, I saw it.
You kind of see those orangish rocks? It was hanging out in there. And I saw it come get it. Like, I for sure saw movement. It wasn't that far down. Heck, dude, that might be it that we're looking at. It was in that area where those gold rocks are. I don't think I hooked them, so... That's a good sign, though. That was definitely a gold, dude. That was definitely a gold. It was in that area where my bobber is. One of us has to catch this, dude. Do you see it? He's coming after yours. You got it, you got it. You got it, baby. No.
Oh, he's right there still.
Oh. Yours is under. He got it, you got one. Let's go. That ain't the gold, but we'll take it. Nice fish, dude. Nice rainbow right there. On the trout magnet. Alright guys, so we just rolled up on the spot. It looked pretty good right here, and I came down and actually had a gold swipe at mine, and then Grant actually hooked it. And so we just kept casting, trying to get the gold. I just had something take me under right there, and then Grant just pulled this one out. He's using like a green pumpkin type trout magnet. We got the green float right there, and he just hooked into this nice rainbow. There it is. Alright guys, so we're going to get a release on this beautiful fish. To live another day, to be caught again. There she goes. Grant's hooked up again, dude. What? Now that's a good one. That's a little better, ain't it? Alright, well, I'm going to switch up jig heads. Dude, he wanted that thing. Look at that.
Yeah, he did.
Another rainbow. Let me get a picture of that with it in his mouth. That's pretty sweet. Alright, well, Grant just hooked up again. That's a better one than his last one. It must be that shiny jig head, dude. I'm going to put it on. I'm moving down after this cast. Oh, got one. Nice. Let's go on the board. That's not a bad one, is it? Little guy. Right in the roof of the mouth. Perfect. So this is the rig that we've been slaying them on today. It's a little one. Should we even keep this one, or? This is probably the littlest one we've caught today, so we're just gonna let this one go. Let him fight another day. Here's the release. Alright guys, so this is my third trout. We're having trouble with the GoPro because it's so cold out. So the battery like drained like so quick. So I don't know if you saw this catching up, but this is my third trout of the day. Caught it over there on them roots that you see sticking out of the water. But yeah, we're gonna get this on the stringer and bring it back with us. So this is our fourth on the stringer, I think. So we're looking pretty good. Hooked up on a decent rainbow. There we go. Alright guys, so right there on that green pumpkin trout magnet, you can tell they want it today. There's one. There we go. Cast it under that bridge and this boy came out and got it. Alright, let's go add it to the stringer. It's not a bad one. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap things up here. I think we caught a total of like 7 or 8. We kept like 6 between both of us and released a couple throughout the day. Solid day really. This was our first time fishing this area and we were able to get on some trout. We pretty much just stuck with the trout magnet technique with the floating bobber, and it was really the key to catching the fish today. Shout out to Grant for that color choice that he picked to start off in the beginning, because I started out with a white trout magnet and it didn't really get him done, but he caught a couple right off the bat and then I started to pick up on it once I switched colors. But hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, like this video if you enjoyed, and leave a comment below. See you next time.